1. Your greatest asset is your ability to earn money. Your greatest resource is time. The statement, your greatest asset is your ability to earn money. Your greatest resource is time, draws a clear distinction between two vital elements for personal and professional success: financial capability and time management. This synthesis underscores the importance of recognizing both the value of earning potential and the critical nature of time as a limited and irreplaceable resource. At its core, the statement positions the ability to earn money as a significant asset. Financial capability is deemed crucial for achieving success, as it provides the means to secure opportunities, build wealth, and reach long-term goals. This view highlights the importance of skills related to earning money, such as career development, entrepreneurship, and financial management. Money, in this context, is seen as a driver of stability and success, offering the necessary resources to pursue various objectives. Conversely, the statement emphasizes time as the greatest resource. Unlike money, which can be accumulated or spent, time is fixed and finite, making it an invaluable resource that demands careful management. The concept of time as a resource underscores its importance in personal and professional contexts. Effective use of time influences productivity, personal growth, and overall well-being. It suggests that managing time wisely is crucial for maximizing effectiveness and achieving a balanced and fulfilling life. The interplay between money and time reveals their complementary roles in achieving success. While the ability to earn money can facilitate financial security and create opportunities, the way time is managed can significantly impact productivity and personal satisfaction. Balancing these elements involves not only earning and managing money effectively but also making thoughtful decisions about how time is allocated. This balance is essential for realizing goals and maintaining a productive, satisfying life. In broader terms, the statement reflects key aspects of career and personal development. In a career context, earning money is linked to professional achievements and financial stability, while time management affects work-life balance and career progression. Both aspects are interconnected and critical for long-term success. Effective financial planning and strategic time management are essential for achieving a harmonious and successful life. In summary, the assertion, your greatest asset is your ability to earn money. Your greatest resource is time, highlights the significance of both financial capability and time management. Earning money is seen as a valuable asset that drives financial stability and opportunities, while time is recognized as an irreplaceable resource that requires careful management. The relationship between these elements underscores the need for strategic use of both money and time to achieve personal and professional goals, maximize productivity, and lead a fulfilling life. Balancing these aspects is crucial for realizing success and maintaining overall well-being. 2. The key to success is to focus our minds on what we want, not on what we fear. The statement, the key to success is to focus our minds on what we want, not on what we fear, underscores a fundamental principle for achieving success, directing mental energy towards positive goals rather than being hindered by negative anxieties. This perspective highlights the significance of maintaining a goal-oriented mindset and the detrimental impact of allowing fears to dominate one's thoughts. At its core, the statement advocates for concentrating on one's aspirations and objectives. By focusing on what we want to achieve, we align our mental energy with our desired outcomes, fostering motivation and clarity. This proactive approach involves setting clear goals, developing actionable plans, and pursuing ambitions with intention. Positive visualization, or the practice of envisioning success, plays a crucial role in this process. It not only helps in defining a clear path but also enhances confidence and performance, as focusing on positive outcomes can drive us toward achieving them. In contrast, the statement cautions against letting fears or anxieties take center stage. Focusing on what we fear can lead to hesitation, inaction, and self-sabotage. When fear dominates our thoughts, it diverts attention and energy away from constructive actions and can paralyze us with doubt. This perspective emphasizes that managing and overcoming fear is essential for maintaining focus on achieving our goals. By addressing anxieties and building resilience, we can prevent fear from becoming a barrier to success. The broader implications of this statement extend to personal development and professional success. In personal growth, adopting a goal-oriented mindset and cultivating a positive outlook are vital for overcoming mental barriers and achieving self-improvement. In a professional context, focusing on career objectives rather than potential setbacks enhances productivity and career advancement. Managing workplace challenges without being overwhelmed by fears can lead to greater success and fulfillment. Additionally, this approach has significant implications for mental health. By shifting focus from fear to positive goals, individuals can reduce stress and anxiety, contributing to overall well-being. This mindset not only promotes a healthier mental state but also fosters resilience and a proactive attitude towards challenges. In summary, the assertion, "The key to success is to focus our minds on what we want, not on what we fear," highlights the importance of directing mental focus towards positive goals and managing fear effectively. Concentrating on aspirations enhances clarity, motivation, and effectiveness, while dwelling on fears can hinder progress and lead to inaction. This perspective encourages a proactive approach to achieving success, with valuable implications for personal development, professional growth, and mental health. By focusing on what we want rather than what we fear, we can overcome obstacles and realize our potential. 3. Right now you have everything within you to handle whatever the world throws at you. The statement, "Right now you have everything within you to handle whatever the world throws at you," conveys a powerful message of self-reliance and inner strength. It asserts that individuals possess the inherent capabilities and resources needed to navigate challenges and adversities. By emphasizing the belief that one's internal qualities are sufficient to deal with difficulties, the statement fosters a mindset of confidence and empowerment. At its core, the assertion highlights the idea that individuals have intrinsic resources, such as mental strength, emotional resilience, and problem-solving skills, which are crucial for overcoming life's obstacles. This perspective underscores the concept of self-reliance, suggesting that the abilities required to manage external challenges are already present within each person. By focusing on these internal strengths, the statement encourages individuals to recognize and harness their own potential. Furthermore, the message aims to build confidence by asserting that one has everything within you to handle whatever comes their way. This empowerment reinforces the belief that individuals do not need additional external resources or validation to succeed. Instead, it emphasizes the importance of self-assurance and autonomy in facing adversities. The confidence derived from this belief can significantly impact one's approach to challenges, fostering a proactive and resilient mindset. From a psychological perspective, this statement aligns with theories of self-efficacy and personal empowerment. The concept of self-efficacy, introduced by psychologist Albert Bandura, refers to the belief in one's ability to achieve goals and handle tasks. The statement supports the idea that believing in one's own capabilities can enhance motivation and performance. By reinforcing the notion that one is equipped to handle various situations, the statement promotes a positive outlook and greater psychological well-being. In broader contexts, the perspective of having inherent capabilities is valuable in personal development and mental health. It encourages individuals to develop self-awareness and confidence, recognizing that their inner strengths are sufficient for personal growth and success. In terms of mental health, the belief in one's own resilience can be empowering, offering a sense of control and optimism in the face of challenges. This mindset supports the idea that individuals can cope and recover from difficulties through their own resources and abilities. In summary, the assertion, "Right now you have everything within you to handle whatever the world throws at you," emphasizes the importance of self-reliance and inner strength. It highlights the belief that individuals possess the necessary qualities and resources to manage challenges and adversities. By focusing on internal capabilities, the statement fosters confidence, empowerment, and resilience. This perspective is crucial for personal development, mental health, and navigating life's uncertainties, promoting the idea that one's inherent strengths are sufficient to overcome obstacles and achieve success.